Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can generate real-time image using AI. So currently this trend is being viral on Instagram. So I will show you how we can make such type of image using AI. So first open Chrome or any web browsing software, any web browsing software, and search Leonardo AI real-time image generation and search. Click on this, and open this, and now let's get started. So at first we need to create account on this AI. So just wait few seconds to create the account. So now let's log in with Google. So I will directly log in with using my Gmail account. Press this continue. Put your username here, and now click this interest in which you are interested. For example, I'm interested in education. You can click one or more than one. Now press this next. You can click any of them. Accept terms, and now click this real-time generation. Type your prompt here. For example, this prompt is viral on Instagram, so I will copy paste same prompt here. As you can see, our image is ready, and it was generating randomly. So from here you can save your image. For example, I will save this. I will save on desktop. As you can see, This picture is ready, and I will try next prompt. Black car at street on night light. On night or on night light, you can, as you can see, our picture is ready, and we can shape like this. As you can see, our picture is ready. So that's how you can create image in real time using this AI.